two video response here. Okay, so first one.
Compounds are formed when two or more elements are combined. Chemical bonds are formed when electron transfer or electron sharing takes place. There are two types of chemical bond, which are ionic bond and covalent bond. Ionic bond is formed by the transfer of electron between a metal atom and a non-metal atom. Covalent bonds are formed when the non-metal atoms share their electron to achieve a stable duplet or octet arrangement.
Okay, so for this one, the information from anion is actually about the compound, right? I should talk about the compound, where the compound is actually formed between two elements. Okay, so now we look at another one.
Compounds are formed when two or more elements are combined. Chemical bonds are formed when electron transfer or electron sharing takes place. Ionic bonds are formed when formed between metal atoms and non-metal atoms. Covalent bonds are formed between non-metal atoms.
Okay, so information from Connie Su also same like, okay, she talked about the two types of covalent bond. We have actually ionic bond between metal and non-metal, and we have the covalent bond between non-metal and non-metals. Okay, so this one is just so after you do for this video, so I think you can more understand and can easily follow up with the lesson. So now if like this, then I think we continue with the remaining part first before we ion achieve stable. So after receiving,
For example, sodium chloride.
No. Okay, so this is the second part of the Flipgrid video that I asked you to do. So ionic bond with examples. So now I want to show the
Ionic bond is formed by the transfer of electrons between a metal atom and a non-metal atom. For example, sodium chloride is an ionic compound that has ionic bond. Thank you.
Okay, so she talked about the ionic bond. Okay, I said give example, right? So the example that she gives will be sodium chloride. Okay, another more.
Good morning, teachers and my fellow friends. Today I would like to share about ionic bonds. Ionic bonds form through the transferring of electrons between atoms of non-metal and metal. Metal atoms will lose electrons to form cation, while non-metal atoms will gain electrons to form anion. For example, is the formation of sodium chloride. Sodium atom will lose one electron to form sodium ion. Chlorine atom will gain one electron to form chloride ion. The sodium ion and the chloride ion will attract together by strong electromagnetic forces of attraction to form ionic bonds. Thank you.
Okay, so this video should talk about the ionic bond. What is the meaning first? Okay, transferring of electron from metal atom to non-metal atom. And the example given, sodium chloride. Okay, just like the explanation that I gave just now. Okay, so after I showing this video, I would like to give you to play some games. Okay, so